In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Buy Now button on Shopify. This is a helpful change if you want customers to use the regular Add to Cart flow instead of seeing the fast checkout option, which is often shown as a Buy Now button. On Shopify, that button is controlled by a setting called Dynamic Checkout Buttons. When you turn that setting off, Shopify removes the Buy Now style button from your product pages while still keeping your standard purchase options available. To begin, open your Shopify admin. From the main admin menu, go to Online Store and then select Themes. This is where you manage how your storefront looks and where you can adjust your theme settings. Next to your active theme, click Customize. This opens the theme editor, which lets you adjust settings and page sections without changing code. Make sure you are editing the correct theme because only the active theme affects what customers see right now. Once you are in the theme editor, look at the top area for the Page Selector dropdown. Open that dropdown and navigate to Products. Then choose Default Product. This is important because the Buy Now button is typically configured on the product template. If you edit a different page, you may not see the correct blocks or settings. Now focus on the left sidebar where the page sections are listed. Locate the section called Product Information. This section controls key elements of your product page, including the product title, price, variant selector, and purchase buttons. Inside Product Information, find and click the block named Buy buttons. When you select it, the settings for that block appear on the right side of the editor. In the Settings panel on the right, find the option labeled Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons, and uncheck that box. Unchecking it is what removes the Buy Now button and any accelerated checkout buttons that may appear under the main Add to Cart button. Finally, click Save in the theme editor, give it a moment to apply, and your change will be live on the default product page template. And that is all there is to it.